Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Yarukami Mnukakashi expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Now that name is a long name, so I'll just call it the Yarukami expert advisor just to shorten it. And this one is marketed as a smart automated system specifically for gold on the 1 minute time frame. The seller shows some impressive numbers: high win rate, decent profit factor, controlled drawdown on their tests. But as always, I ran my own backtest to see what it actually does in the real world, and in this video I'll break everything down, so ensure you watch until the end to get the whole picture. And before you make any purchases or before you start trading with the Yarukami expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now let's dive in. About the Yarukami Mnukakashi expert advisor for MT5, the EA uses technical analysis with multiple moving averages across different time frames, and it does this to get the bigger picture trend direction. It combines Bollinger Bands on higher time frames to avoid entries when price is too stretched, a short period RSI as an overbought or oversold filter, and a sensitive momentum indicator on the 1 minute time frame to catch the immediate buyers for buy or sell. Now this is the marketed strategy of this expert advisor. It does have grid step, it does trade with grid, it can run long and short positions independently, which gives it flexibility. The core idea is a filtered grid system. It opens an initial trade based on these signals, and if the market moves against it, it adds positions at set intervals with possible lot increases until the entire basket reaches a small profit target. The developer highlights trading without individual stops, relying on the basket close and time-based exits instead. They recommend avoiding the busy American session and setting daily profit goals. On their signal and backtest, it shows around 84% winning trades, a solid profit factor, and max drawdowns staying in the low double digits with thousands of trades executed. And this, we have 5,178 trades in total for this backtest period, and this is their max drawdown is 10%, 10 to 20%, 10 to 22% actually. And this is all it looks like. Net profit from this was just $3,430. Initial deposit of $1,000. So this is exactly how it looks. This is how it takes its trades, and remember, it adds positions to losing positions. It trades with grid. That's why you have all this, the multiple orders and buy and sells and all of that here on this image. We also have the inputs. These are things that can be edited on the expert advisor, so all of these are customizable. The key features that they push include customizable grid steps, you can see here, and lot sizing options, spread filters, session time controls. We have the daily profit limits and the ability to enable extra averaging sessions for more aggressive recovery. There is also a trading panel for real-time info and options for pause limits or trailing limits. The developer presents it as a fully automated with built-in risk management through these technical filters and money management tools. All of these are all embedded in the expert advisor. Now for the real talk and for the numbers, I tested this expert advisor on the XAU USD on the 1 minute time frame over a full year, 2025 April down to April 2026 on a $10,000 account, and this is it. The modeling is every tick based on real ticks, as you can see, And the equity curve starts with some early losses, has choppy recoveries with lots of small green bars, but overall trends downward, ending near $4,900 in the red. The profit factor sat at 0.87 and negative recovery factor Sharpe ratio with over 16,000 trades in total, 16,853 trades in total. And the win rate is quite impressive, 80.33% of profitable trades, and this is the win rate, over 80%. For short trades, it's about 79%. For long trades, about 81%. So basically, what made it to go all the way down is because of the averaging and the greed function, I guess, which made it cope in all of those losses. And when you compare this to the developer's claims of positive profit factor around 2, 84% wins and much tighter drawdowns, there's a big gap here. As you can see here, we are going down and having losses of up to 4,900, but the developer claims multiple profits. And this backtest was actually run using the default settings from the developer. I didn't change anything. Exactly the defaults is what I used to run this backtest. So everything here is from the developer, and the results also is exactly as expected. And the big gap there is just that my backtest, it ended in a loss, and we have this graph here compared to what the developer shows, where we are seeing this steady upward move. Yeah, I guess maybe they have their own set files, which the set files that will be given to you after purchase, which will enable you to set it properly. And the features that actually mattered in the test were the grid step, the spread limit, and the profit target per lot. We also have keeping section 2 and 3 disabled to control aggression. Yeah, this is it. Section 3, you have to actually disable it at false to control the aggression of the expert advisor. Honestly, the thing is, these filtered averaging systems can look great in backtest during favorable ranging periods, but in practice they get chopped up or hit big drawdown runs during strong trends or news. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it is a greed averaging expert advisor on volatile gold. It can deliver in the right conditions with tight it can deliver in the right conditions with tight settings, but the hidden risks like spread sensitivity, sudden break drawdown, and the spikes, you can see that here, and also the high trade frequency, all of these are real. Profits and drawdown can differ a lot depending on the market conditions and the lot size or risk you are running. It's actually for experienced traders, experienced prop traders who know gold well and can monitor it on a VPS with a good broker, and also who can use conservative parameters. Beginners or anyone wanting true set and forget should probably avoid this expert advisor. Now, if this expert advisor review was useful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more honest expert advisor breakdowns like this one. Drop a comment below with which expert advisor you want me to review next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.